Now we have to find the angle between the planes whose vector equations are given to us. Now, if vector n1 and vector n2 are normal to the planes vector r dot vector n1 is equal to d1 and vector r dot n2 vector is equal to d2, and theta be the angle between them, then cos theta is equal to vector n1 dot vector n2 upon magnitude of vector n1 magnitude of vector n2. Is it clear? So now given vector r dot 2 I cap plus 2 j cap minus 3 k cap is equal to 5 and vector r dot 3 I cap minus 3 j cap plus 5 k cap is equal to 3. Now comparing with equations of plane vector n1 is 2 I cap plus 2 j cap minus 3 k cap and vector n2 is equal to 3 I cap minus 3 j cap plus 5 k cap. Now we have compared these two equations with this one and with this one. Okay. So now first thing, now vector n1 dot vector n2 is equal to now 2 I cap plus 2 j cap minus 3 k cap dot 3 I cap minus 3 j cap plus 5 k cap. Now this implies n1 vector n1 dot vector n2 is equal to, now 2 with 3 6 minus 6, 2 with negative of 3 and minus 3 with 5 minus 15. This is equal to minus 50. Even we can write it like this here, this one. Okay, means angle cannot be in the negative here. Now magnitude of n1 is equal to square root of 2 square plus 2 square plus negative of 3 square. Now this implies is equal to square root of 4 plus 9. This is equal to 4 plus 9. 17. Okay. n2 is equal to 3 square negative of 3 square and 5 square. Magnitude is 9 plus 9 plus 25 is square root of 43. Now cos theta is equal to minus 15 upon square root of 17 with square root of 43. this is equal to 15 upon square root of 731. Hence, angle between planes is cos theta is equal to 15 upon square root of 731, or theta is equal to cos inverse 15 upon square root of 731. Answer.